Well, welcome back, my friends. Okay, today we're going to dive into a topic that can sound confusing, but it's really important. If you're struggling with your mortgage and you're thinking about doing a short sale, this is what exactly a short sale means. If you've heard the term short sale, I'm going to teach you what a short sale is. So a short sale happens when a homeowner sells their home for less than the amount that they still owe on the mortgage. Basically, the lender agrees to accept a lower payoff instead of going through a foreclosure process. Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. And we have Mo here. Say hi, Mo. He's been a little fidgety today. Okay, for example, let's say you owe $300,000 on your home, but the current market value is $260,000. If the bank agrees to accept the $260,000 as full payment, that means they fall short of what the people owe, and that's why it's called a short sale. Now, why would someone go this route? Well, a short sales are usually considered when you can't keep up with your mortgage payments or your home's value has dropped significantly. It's a way to avoid foreclosures and protect your credit from major damage and make it more financially difficult. But this is very important. You can't just decide to do a short sale on your own. You need to get it approved from your lender. The bank will want proof that you're experiencing a financial hardship like loss of income, medical bills, or other unavoidable expenses. Here's how the process will typically work. What you're going to do is you're going to contact your lender and just explain your situation, like maybe you lost your job or whatnot. You list your home for sale, usually with an agent experienced in short sales. And once an offer comes in, the lender reviews it and it decides whether to approve that sale. If approved, the home sells. The lender forgives the remaining balance depending on your agreement. All right. It's not always fast. Short sales can take several months because all the lender paperwork, mounds and mounds, and the approvals. But the good news is it can be far less demanding to your credit than a foreclosure. So you can buy a new home a lot sooner than the 7 years typically for a foreclosure. There are a few things homeowners should keep in mind. Get professional help. Work with a realtor, for possibly a real estate attorney who understands short sales. Be honest with your lender and responsive to their requests for documentations. Know that you might owe taxes on any forgiven debt depending on the current tax laws. So check with a tax professional on that as well. And remember, patience is key. Short sales take a long time. Yes, they do. So if you're facing financial hardship or worried about foreclosure, a short sale might be the smart way to move forward. And if you'd like to talk more about what your options, please reach out. I'm always here to help Central Ohio homeowners find the best path moving forward. That way it makes things so much easier on the end of all the chaos. So if you have questions about short sale, drop them in the comments. Follow for more real estate tips with Annette Marble and Mo. And as always, we're in and around Central Ohio, and we're always keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates. Really.